Msombuluko bafethu sizibuyele emsebenzini and it's exciting. Ngiyabona abaningi nalapha phela hayi ba exciteke kakhulu ngempela ukuthi amaholiday kwabanye bethu asephelile. But bafethu khona into engifisa ukuyichaza la. Esengibona kakhulu yenzeka. Makuphela unyaka bafethu sinakho ukureviewa whether uyakushare nabangani bakho ukureviewa noma ukushare. But it's in us ukuthi sikwazi sithole sesireviewa ukuthi unyaka uhambe kanjani. And into yokureviewa bafethu ungareviewa ube honest noma ureview ungabe honest ube nokuyikhohlisa to make yourself feel good. You know, we can do that with ease. Ngenze isibonelo esizobukeka ungazothi sidivertile kunaleli point engifuna ukulisho. Khona indawo umuntu akahlala kuzona mhlambe la uthola ukuthi abantu bashawa isifo esithile. And udokotela uyasho ukuthi isiphi isifo esiphethe umuntu ogulayo noma lo muntu oseze washona yini ebimphethe. Uthola ukuthi isifo emele sizoyiphika lonto sithi no. Akhona umuntu othile ubethakathwa bese siyazi ukuthi siyathakathwa, siyazi ukuthi bakhona abantu abasithakathayo kanjani. This is another thing ukuthi ubuka impilo yakho uphike ama facts asuke present before you. Another thing yenzeka la uma usubuka izinto ze career ungaphumeleli komuntu kulula ukuthi kube khona abantu esibabukayo emaceleni mhlawumbe umphathi wakho mhlawumbe abantu osebenzisana nabo mhlawumbe inkampani osebenzela yona you know kulula ukuthi uyipoint izinto ezithile ezikuvimbe ukuthi uphumelele makuphela unyaka. But nansi enye into abafethu into engiyibone ibaluleke kakhulu engishayile nami empilweni yami ngabona ishaya abantu around me lento yokungazethembi bafethu ye low self esteem you know. Bafethu angazi ngagcizelela kanjani lento bafethu I'm not an expert empilweni bafethu I'm just a guy obhala incwadi obuyathanda bafethu ukuthi akhulumisane nabanye abantu. So bafethu uNkulunkulu mengasisiza this year 2020 lento ye low self esteem bafethu ngizokwenza isibonele eBhayibhelini esingihlaba umxhwele uDavide kubo babemthatha kancane we all know that ukuthi you know babengamnakile kufika umuntu ozofuna ukuzogcoba inkosi uDavide usekwaluseni. Nobody cares about uDavide and nobody even thinks about him ukuthi he should be given a chance to be considered ukuthi agcine seba inkosi. Up until the prophet says no, khona umuntu obuke ongekho la le 7 ethunywe uNkulunkulu khona umuntu obuke ngekuDavide then ufika nje futhi abamnika ichance ukuthi ikhona into esile ngaphuma kulomuntu akothi angakhetha abe inkosi but ugcina sekhethekile. The second thing bafethu ngifuna sinake ngoDavide bayalwa lapha nabalwa noGoliath uyafika uhambisela ubhuti bakhe ukudla empini uma efika obhuti bakhe bathi kuyena wena Davide ufunani la uyayithanda izinto you know uthanda neindaba so you know wishe nobala ezimvu ezimbalwa oyilusayo you know. The thing is so belittling ukuthi uDavide was not a responsible person. There was not much again ayimnikwe yona wayinikwe nje izimvu ezincane you know but uDavide ayimbeki phansi lento ukuthi ishiyazi obhuti bami bayangazi kusho ukuthi mabethu obhuti bami I'm not capable it means I'm really not capable you know. But uDavide simthole eba neconfidence ukhumbula some of the things that he did in the past uthi mina ehlane ngabulala ibhele. It's a minor thing, it looks minor ibhele compared to Goliath but uyayithatha lonto ibeke yena uthi mina ngabulala ibhele so this guy I can take him out you know. Nangempela mfethu despite abantu abadala besaba yena he's confident ukuthi I will take this guy down you know. Nangempela uNkulunkulu uyamsiza. Why ngisho lento bafethu uNkulunkulu yakwazi ukuthi asibusise asinikeze ama opportunities emsebenzini uthi we are capable abanye bethu uthi bafundile kodwa uthola ukuthi hey siyabuka around uthi abantu indoda you are more than qualified for lo msebenzi indaba ungawuthathi ubona ngathi hayi no bafethu ngizothi manguthatha lo msebenzi ngihluleke. Here's another thing yenza ukuthi singaphumeleli bafethu le fear yokuthi so fail you know. Ezinye zezinto lezi zenza ukuthi abanye bethu baqeda ama degrees nama honors uthi eclassini awukazi uphakamisa ukhuluma because why uyasaba ukuthi bazongihleka siphume kwi background lawo wawuthi uma uphakamisile wabheda uyahlekwa so we live in fear ukuthi nje asifuni ukuzama because masizama sizohluleka nama opportunities thothi uNkulunkulu uyakunikeza ukuthi ayibonanze opportunity kuze kufike umuntu okade umfundisa umsebenzi ayithathe leyo position you know ugcina usuthi hayi kunetiye kanjani phambi kwakho ngobani khona abantu abadalelwe nje ukuthi hayi mina ngiyasiphakamisa isandla ukuthi into angiyazi ngizobona phambili yabo. So maningi amathuba uNkulunkulu azowaletha abafethu 2020 angikhulumi le gang njengale gang wathi ya prophet no this is just information engicabanga ukuthi ihlezi ikhona every year every time uNkulunkulu usinikeza ama opportunities, but lenkinga ye low self esteem bafethu iyona lesenza ukuthi sihlale kuma positions awodwa for 20 years, sihlale onyakeni, sihlale enkampanini eyodwa for 20 years. Uthola ukuthi nje kuze kube ngathi uthi hayi lona umuntu nje Nkosi yami oyithobile, yena nje umehlele kule position. No, uNkulunkulu maninga, we need to grow bafethu in life, but i low self esteem iyakwazi ukwenza ukuthi ungakhuli, uhlale endaweni eyodwa, you know, ethefika amathuba kodwa ungakwazi ukwathatha. So bafethu, i-challenge kumina, i-challenge kuwena, mhlawumbe kwi-position okuyona ujabulile kuyona, kungenzeka ukuthi khona amanye ama-positions asabekwe phambi kwakho uNkulunkulu afuna ukuthi wathathe, kodwa lento yokungazethembi nokusaba iyona ezokwenza ukuthi sigcine singafikanga la kufanele siye khona. Sengigcina uJoshua, uNkulunkulu uyamcizelela uma ufunda i-chapter yokuqala le ndaba ukuthi be strong and courageous, be strong and courageous, be strong and courageous. Kusho ukuthi zifakiwe lezi zinto kuwena ukuthi ube able to make it, you know, but you need to be strong and courageous bafethu. It's not easy. I'm not saying these things because I've mastered them. I'm still kwi process nami ukuthi ngifike kwi destination yami, but bafethu, be strong and courageous. uNkulunkulu usinikile izinto bafethu this year. Amen.